Hey everybody, my name is Jeff Tripp. I'm a product manager here at Havis. We've gotten some questions about our trunk trays for the 2020 Interceptor utility, so we're back with a few more tips and tricks. I'm here with Dave Filion, one of our technical specialists. He's going to show us how to cure a rattling latch, and then I'll show you how to remove the spare tire. So Dave, you want to take it away?
Yeah, I'm Dave Filion, one of the product specialists here at Havis. As Jeff was saying, one of the questions we've gotten come in is some rattle they're hearing from this rear latch section here. You can kind of see a little bit of jiggling on them when it's in the closed position and hear a rattle. This is very easily fixed, and what we're going to show you today is how to fix that. First thing you want to do, just pop open the latch, lift up your tray. If you have the TTP-4 tray underneath here, we're just going to lower this down and gain access. And the reason that you get a little bit of rattle is there is an adjustable piece here on the lower side of the latch. It's a little bolt that when you move it in out there, it actually creates more contact point when you latch it down here. So the simple thing you want to do is just take the bolt and spin it a little bit, do a little bit of adjustment. It's a bit of a trial and error on this. Close it down, and test it, and actually I got it in the first shot there. So once you determine that you've eliminated that rattle with a good solid latch, I'm going to lift it back up again. And you're going to notice there's a little nut on this bolt here. So what you're going to do is you're going to spin that nut while holding the bolt until it sets against there. Hold the bolt in place. Take a wrench, these are 5/16. And you just want to lock the nut against it. And that'll set your tension. Close it down. Give it one more shot, and you're all set.
Beautiful. Nice work, Dave. Thanks. So we've gotten some questions as well about how do you remove the spare tire, especially if you have that TTP-4 electronics mounting tray. Clearance can be a little tough, so we'll show you how to do that right now. So first of all, you don't have to remove this trim piece, but we recommend it. It gives you a little bit extra clearance, and it'll prevent any damage to that when you remove or reinstall that spare tire. Next up, you're going to remove this top cap, spin that out of the way. Now this stud is retained down here, and it's actually holding in the spare tire jack as well. So what you want to do is reach under and spin that, and I'll show you this when I take it out as well. But once I unscrew this, you can see that little lever on there is how you unscrew it, and then you simply just slide it out from there. Plenty of room. You'd have to remove that stud anyway because it actually holds down your jack. Just, oops, it actually goes that way, but that's how it would be in the vehicle. And then installation is the opposite. You slide your spare tire in and then just slide this back in and screw it down. It's that simple.